Hello everyone, my name is Haley and today's harvest of the month is Aronia berries. Today for our recipe we will be making Aronia berries in a smoothie. To start off the smoothie, you're going to put a cup of ice and then a half cup of apple juice. And then you're going to add a cup of your Aronia berries. If you are unfamiliar with Aronia berries, they look like blueberries and they're native to Nebraska. They're a little tart, so that makes them better in recipes than just eating them alone. And then after your Aronia berries are in, you're going to put 1 cup of plain yogurt. Putting in the ingredients is a great way to get your kids involved. And for this smoothie, you'll probably want to use frozen berries just because it blends better, but you can use fresh berries if you prefer. And then you're going to put on your top and blend it all up. Once all of that is blended and looks smooth, you can pour it into a cup. And there you have it, Aronia berries in a smoothie. Serve and enjoy. Stay tuned for the next harvest of the month.